From this episode on, we are going to have a completely new session. We are going to share with you some very easy but useful German words, phrases, or any kind of interesting culture that we've learned in Germany.
Right? So what's our topic today?
Our recipe this week was fried rice. Why don't we learn how to pronounce the word rice in German? It's actually not that easy.
Yeah, I know. Well, then first we'll have to know how to pronounce the letter R in German.
Exactly. There are actually two types of pronunciation of R. There's one easy one and another one is slightly harder.
So let's get an example of the easy one. Let's say butter.
Yeah, butter.
How to say butter in German?
Butter. Just very relaxed and easy, simple ending of the word. Butter.
Butter. Relax. Butter.
Butter.
Schwester.
Bruder.
Vater.
Mutter.
Großmutter.
Großvater. So, this is the easy one.
Right.
The easy R in German.
How about the difficult one?
Well, the best example of the difficult one is our topic today, rice. Okay, watch out. Rice. Rice. Rice.
You are kind of exaggerating.
No, it's more or less like this.
Oh, wow.
Rice.
Yeah, well, the R requires practicing.
By the way, how did we learn that at the beginning?
Well, I used to practice that with some water.
Ah, right, me too. So drink some water and leave it in your throat and try to vibrate it. Yeah, exactly. Like we all used to do when we were a kid. But be careful, don't choke yourself. Try to remember that feeling, and after practicing like this for several times, we can start to do without water. Like
But remember that it's not the same as the tongue rolling in front, like, but it's more like the back, at the back of the tongue, like.
yeah, exactly. So that's basically how we pronounce the German R.
It's actually not so hard.
Doch. Just try to practice yourself. It takes a few days. And please let us know if you like this German session at the end of the video.
Comments below.
And if you like it, please give us a like, subscribe, and if possible, share it with your friends.
Dann
Sehen wir uns in dem nächsten Video.
1, 2, 3. Dann sehen wir uns in dem nächsten Dann sehen wir uns in dem nächsten Video bei Lauchs Küche.